Well, hello YouTube. Uncle Hoopty here. Redoing my house I bought and putting in, tearing some walls out and redoing things and electrical. I decided to tear all the carpet out on the first floor and put a fine Italian porcelain tile that looks like hardwood. It's beautiful. It's really turning out well. Problem is, we grouted it. And the grout we used, let me see. Let me show you here. Oh no, it won't let me flip it around. Anyhow, here's the floor, and there's the grout. Well, the grout wasn't supposed to be gray like that. Not that light at least. Here's the grout I bought, and there's the color. Not even close. Not even close. I'm a little irritated. Not even say a little irritated. I'm real irritated because I did 550 square feet of tile, porcelain tile, in my house. And the grout, now I see grout lines, and I didn't want to see grout lines. So where we're at is I decided, how am I going to fix this? I Googled all these things, and the best one they come up with was basically dig all the grout out and re-grout it. Well, I'm not re-grouting 550 square feet of tile just because the digging it out alone is going to take so much time. There's a lot of kits online. There's paints, this, that, whatever. Well, I'm thinking, and I'm like, well, we stain concrete all the time. You do a concrete slab, you want it brown or gray or whatever, or you stamp it, you color it with the sprinkled dyes. Anyhow, the point is, I'm banging my head off the wall. Well, then I picked up a can of regular stain. There's not anything fancy about it, but it says it could stain concrete. So I'm figuring, not only am I staining it to get the color I want, I'm also sealing it at the same time, which is really kind of wild if you think about it. I'm doing the sealing step and getting my color back. Here's what the floor looks like after I do the joints. That's the floor. That's Cotton Ball. Cotton Ball's Nevin. He's my buddy. But look at the difference in that floor with the grout, the brown. Now obviously it looks a lot more like hardwood flooring than that. So I stole one of the wife's makeup brushes. I hope she doesn't yell at me, but I'll show you how I'm doing it. It's pretty simple. Makeup brush. Oh, so sloppy. So sloppy. But everybody's got a wife with a makeup brush. Just steal her makeup brush. She'll get over it. Paper towel. Everybody got paper towels. Now, the towel already has a porcelain finish it's not porous, it's not going to absorb. Now the grout is porous, it's made of Portland, just like concrete, same thing. And like I said, this is just basic stain. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot, anywhere. It's nothing fancy, and it goes a long way, real long way. Like I said, research. This is going to be durable. It's going to last a long time. It shouldn't even bleach out. And if in 4 years it bleaches out, guess what? I'll steal another makeup brush from the wife. And I'll probably still have that can of stain because it seems to last forever. And it don't take much, but just look at the difference. Unbelievable. And you gotta thin everything out with coarse light. Man, that's good stuff. Well, Uncle Hoopty out. I guess this is a little bit of DIY of fixing my grout. And if you have old grout and you don't like the color of it, there's plenty of different colors of stains. There's even gray stains now and whitish stains. Take a little wire brush, clean out your grout, make sure all the grease and everything's out. It'll just open it up, bleach it. One of them little Harbor Freight wire brushes, them little kits that have like 3 of them. Boy, that cleans them grout lines right out. But you usually lose the color when you do that. So if you want to freshen up with new color, go buy a can of stain. You know, Minwax works good. So anyhow, Uncle Hoopty here, over and out. See you in the next one.